This is Mr. Kenneth Akwasi Prince. Ken is a software developer in Kumasi. He received a contract to build a website for a client. Ken created a beautiful website, and the client was impressed and paid him his 3,000 Ghana cedis payment. This was his first contract. He decided to invest some of the money. Ken joined Loom on WhatsApp and also invested some in men's gold in hopes of gaining profit. Unfortunately for Mr. Kenneth, he lost all his investment. And here we have Mrs. Helena, a beautiful nurse in Kumasi. Mrs. Helena just received her first salary as a nurse. She chose to invest half of her money to a more secured platform where she can be sure of her investments and profits. She found a platform that was owned by Ghanaian and was approved by the BOG, so she hopped in on it. Her investments started making some earnings few days after investing, and she could see everything in real time right on her phone. The longer and higher she saves, the more profit she makes. Her secret app for investing is called the Achieve app, and she's loving it. So what is the Achieve app? The Achieve app is a Ghanaian-based digital platform that partners with licensed fund managers to provide you with safe investment products to help you achieve your financial goals. With the Achieve app, you can easily invest from the comfort of your phone or tablet without physically going to an investment institution or going through difficult processes and paperwork. This means invest anytime, anywhere. Saving or investing through the Achieve app is simple. All you need to do is to follow the 4 steps below. Download and install Achieve from Google Play or Apple Store. Sign up with a valid email address and answer a few questions on the app to verify your identity. Set up your mobile money wallet to make top-ups and receive withdrawals. You can also use your Visa or MasterCard for top-ups. Create your first investment account or goal account and start saving. It's that simple. To start saving through the Achieve app, you need the following: a valid email address, a valid phone number, a valid identification card, voter ID, passport, driver license, SNID card, or national ID like the Ghana card, personal information, and your next of kin's basic information. Your next of kin is your closest living relative. The next of kin relationship is important to determine who will inherit your investment, if you die without a will. The information provided will be used to verify the person you choose. Are there charges for making payments? No. It is completely free. There are no charges when you top up using your mobile money wallet and Visa or MasterCard. Even a levy does not apply here when you want to make top-ups. How secured is your money? Your money is completely secure on Achieve. We partner with fund management companies and financial institutions who are licensed and regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, or other financial market regulators. Additionally, all funds are held for safekeeping with a bank duly registered and licensed by the Bank of Ghana. Download Achieve app on your App Store, and start making some investments for the future. Let's start now on Achieve. Use referral code KenWorldTech to earn 10 points when registering. This can be converted into cash. What are you waiting for? Let's go create our future with Achieve app now. Be an investor like Sarbinas.